The design of this house comprises of Nordic simplicity, minimalism, and functionality along with local Indian crafts. This helped us to create personalized spaces for a modern Indian lifestyle. The hidden transforming furniture details that can be experienced by use and not from the pictures has been the most exciting achievement in the outcome, because that experience or drama makes the users happier than just pretty pictures. This house is big on functionality and aesthetic value because of well-placed storage walls along with thorough and detailed execution. This helped us to achieve ample amount of storage, transforming furniture pieces and a fantastic spatial experience. Design to me is an honest attempt to unlearn set norms. It's about digging deeper into what, how and why behind everything that contributes to a lifestyle in our environment. Doshi's residence comprises of 1150 square feet, roughly 107 square meter within busy and prime locality of Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Though living room was designed to double up as an entertainment room to host cricket watch parties, but it was thoroughly enjoyed by the family within the lockdown period for a perfect Netflix and chill experience as well as full-size gaming experience of Fortnite for the younger one. For the bedrooms, there was a different story created in each one. Kids' room being dreamy and expressive with starry ceiling, guest room that can be easily converted into a sophisticated study for work from home experience, and master bedroom that is well packed with ambitious planning and storage but still clutter-free, oozes class without bling. Keeping up with the aimed warmth of the house, the selection of ready furniture and some decor was towards contemporary, while custom-made part was with hardworking and impeccable workmanship of our expert carpenters, something that provides comfort, satisfies clients' daily needs, and provides enough space for a modern Indian household. Fortunately, this project was commissioned at 10 years of practical working experience, so it was a golden opportunity to smartly handle all technical and aesthetical decisions. Managing plumbing for modern musts like softener plant, pressure pump, of course multiple appliances like sound system, projector, dishwasher were enjoyable challenges for a small size flat. Our measured response to utility has automatically generated beautiful aesthetics for the house. The easiest example being requirement of vents, be it for main electrical DB, Wi-Fi router or even woofer system within TV unit called for a neat wooden louvered shutters, which became integral part of design language. All in all, dedicated efforts, supervision and collaborative improvisations with clients allowed us as well as the clients to enjoy a beautiful process as well as amazing end results. My favorite section of the house has to be the corner unit across the main entrance and living room. This L-shaped thick storage wall embodies all the design characteristics of the house with multifaceted access. This becomes the core for services, multiple functions, as well as beautiful backdrop for the entertainment room. This wall houses AC unit, projector, bookshelves, ample storage towards the living room, while on the dining side it houses Wi-Fi router behind the lowered shutters, shrine for Indian gods, Butsudan for Buddhist practice, and a crockery unit. It was only after introspection during lockdown that I realized the design of this house resonates with a very famous quote by Thomas Pheasant. Simplicity is not simple. It is the process of fulfilling an idea using only that which is essential.